The House of Marley Revolution Turntable is a well-rounded record player that combines modern functionality with an environmentally conscious design. It features an attractive construction that incorporates sustainable materials, giving it a distinctive look while maintaining a clean and contemporary aesthetic. The turntable is designed to be approachable for first-time vinyl listeners, with a straightforward setup process and controls that are easy to understand. Features such as multiple playback speeds, Bluetooth capability, and a built-in phono preamp add versatility, allowing it to integrate with a variety of home audio systems without requiring extensive additional equipment. When it comes to performance, the Revolution Turntable provides a smooth and enjoyable listening experience that suits casual and everyday vinyl playback. The sound is generally warm, balanced, and pleasant, making it suitable for a wide range of music genres. Vocals are clear, bass is controlled, and overall audio reproduction captures much of the character that makes vinyl records enjoyable. While it may not deliver the level of precision, depth, or detail found in more advanced audiophile turntables, it performs consistently within its intended category and offers a satisfying experience for most listeners. The overall build quality feels dependable for regular home use. The combination of natural finishes and durable components gives the turntable a premium appearance while remaining practical for everyday operation. The tone arm and platter operate smoothly, and the controls are responsive, contributing to an overall user-friendly experience. Routine maintenance is minimal, making it a convenient choice for people who want to enjoy their record collection without dealing with a complicated setup or frequent adjustments. Another notable aspect is its flexibility. The ability to connect with different types of speakers and audio systems makes it adaptable to changing listening preferences. Whether someone is creating their first vinyl setup or expanding an existing home entertainment system, the turntable offers enough compatibility to accommodate various configurations. Its design also fits comfortably into modern living spaces, serving as both a functional music player and an attractive decorative piece. Overall, the House of Marley Revolution Turntable offers a balanced combination of style, convenience, and reliable performance. It is particularly well suited for beginners and casual vinyl enthusiasts who value ease of use, modern connectivity, and thoughtful design. Although experienced audiophiles may eventually seek higher-end equipment for greater sound refinement and customization, this turntable provides an enjoyable and dependable introduction to vinyl listening while delivering good value through its blend of practical features and appealing aesthetics.